Play Pibaro, Ipinang Subhai Pi, Sapiyit kami, Bakikubo, Baman Kasi.
Evening, friends. As usually done, I would request Dr. Amanwar or DHS to update us the positive cases as of today.
Thank you, sir. The Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Government of Meghalaya, Shri Krishnan Singh, sir, with due respect to you and all our colleagues here present here from the press fraternity, the update on COVID-19 status as of today, the 28th May 2021, is as follows. New cases 731. The number of recoveries is 941. The number of active cases total across the state is 8,025. Out of these, 3,884 are in East Coast, 1,310 are in Ribhai district. The number of deaths today as recorded is 20, East Coast Hills 17, West Jaintia Hills 1, Ribhai district 1, and West Garo Hills 1. Kini ilong kiting pentip kibedai mat COVID-19 mentah kasing at fratarik benang ini arhaja arkuai ki kes ki bathmai mentah kasing ilong news pa lai kuai ki recovered cases ilong thandai spa sa kuai kes baru kelum lang po kejala gedungi kilon rahaja afsal nakini lai hajar khaspa afsal kidan po East Coast Hills si hajar lai spa show po Ribhai ki bakhlab no mentagasi kilong arho na po East Coast Hills hanyo West Jaintia Hills Way, Ribhai District Way, but West Garo Hills District Way. Kini ilong ikutip mendasi Malaysia.
Thank you, Doctor. So, friends, today again in the review meeting under the chairmanship of our Honorable Chief Minister, few important decisions were taken today, and I would like to share to all of you for the information of all the concerned citizens of the state. Number one, in the entire state, as you are all aware, that the containment measures is in place throughout the state. Today again we have taken a decision that containment measures from 31st May which is supposed to be ended will be extended till further orders. This is authorized in their respective jurisdiction. kebentar ka jingtip jong ki pai ba no sok snong jong ke jela lemba jong hi ngakwa ban pentip ya ki katu kani teli kirai ki bangla sim menta ka janmit kumba pilatip ba ka containment measures haporo ka jela jong ke mekhala ka trekam but order kabladep ni ong bahadu kalai kowe trik jong uni unai mi menta ka janmit ni larai ba ka containment measures ngin dang teng nadu kalai kowe trik hadu bangin da pentip da kumwei pat ka containment measures ka bangi sim ya karai kilong kumne harum but kini kan ni ka containment measures ka bemut ka bentuk ya ka jela meklaya jongi parok kowe ka benung ko nginum sya ya ki political ki public social religious gatherings ka bemut ya kini nginum sya kentup ru ya ki kerja meetings ki kerja training ki ba bon jaj ki ba bon rukom ba kin play ka ba ar ka jingrung jong ki tourist siapo ka jela megala ngin nempat sya ba kumju ru ki jaka jingok kai keleng saudom jong ke jela jongi ya hataru ngin dang beteng ban khang yaki kabalai ki jingila kai sports borok ki jingila kai sports ya kaniru ngin nempat sya ban play kabasau ka inter district movement ngin le kumbajule ka restriction kan dot ka jing perking kan dot light no ya kitu ki kali ki bangi ong ki transit vehicles ki bahabia lengba jong ke jela ni ya katangin sya tamba kin habia lengba ki entry point ki ba nakalian ke sarkar kala buk kertam bakin check nadong syadap kawebat ya ka khai ka pateng bat ka Bangladesh ka bangi ong ka international border trade ya kani ingin sya ka bamud nadu kalai kuai trade tambah ya ki restriction ki regulation isanya haki deputy commissioner bakin le ya kabadon kam bat kawai pat ngila IT biang haki deputy commissioner na kaliang joko sarkar balada ki idon kam ya kanu restriction lene ya kanu ke imposition ka baki idon kam katkum kajing dawa lene katkum kajing idon kam halaki jong ki jong ya district ya kaniru ni IT haki deputy commissioner bat menta ndai sultan ki deputy commissioner ni IT ru sya ki tu ki SDO civil ki badai pek ya ki civil subdivision hakeleng saudom jong kajela Meghalaya. Point number 2. Kabakar kabagi kren hakani ka review meeting kabagi simlu ya karai. Namar barok ilaitip baka lockdown hapo is kasils kadang treta. Bat kadai bangkut akalai huai trik jong uni unai mi posan baji. Te hakane ka review meeting menta ka jamit ngila ship ya karai. Ba ka lockdown hapo is kasils. Kadi yai betek hadu ka nyau terik bor san baji menstep jong ubnai jun artho arthowe tambah ngindon ke relaxation katu kani ke jingsya ban play ya kikam kijam kita kilong kumneharu. Deputy Commissioner East Castles in Pintikena ba kide ki marbang ki mardi kide ban koi sya kisnong ki thau ba pher jong ka East Castles barok away kat kum ka jingdon kam kabaan kata kabangi ong ka home delivery menhakani ka lockdown ngimsya tenrei menta ka ganti ya kani ka home delivery services ngisya but ka permission ansa ai da i deputy commissioner jong ka East Khasi Hills kabalai ka inter-district movement jong ki brio hapo East Khasi Hills ladina East Khasi Hills syakiway pat ki district ya kaniru ngidang perking bakan don kajinyayat like lang na kawi ka district bakin room syapo ka East Khasi Hills ladi baki brio ki bana East Khasi Hills bakin lake syakiway pat ki district kaway pat kabenta kolong ba ki to ki office sarkar India kintreka nadu kakhatratrik ubanai me arthway but kiway pat kintang khang hadu pat petip dakum way pat kaway pat ki state government offices katkung ke notification ke belakang mi dan personal department kita kintreka but palat nanta ngin patsya ban play ya ki office sarkar ka state bank jong ka India ka main branch ka light krak branch but ka secretariat branch kan treka kan play tambah tang khandiat ki staff ki deban wan hapo ka office na kabenta ban pendep ya ki business kham tam at we day but ki government transaction kawai pat ka bang ban pentip ba barok ki bat hapo East Khasi Hills lasha bakin play haka life way trik ubnai me but ka shitrik jong June artho way with limited staff nakabenta ki urgent transaction but kide ban kham hapo sawaji janme ki post offices minsya ban play haka artrik lightrik but soutrik jong ubenai June artho way tang katu kanimut ki staff ki badai bandon nang ta ka issue ka banginang sya susu menta kolong ka e-commerce activities but kitu ki courier services ke bangiong yakineru ni sya but ni IT ha i deputy commissioner jong East Khasi Hills ba in regulate but rupan ai ya ka permission nang ka wepat kidukan kitu ke hardware store kidukan de tiar ya ki yeng iset ya kaniru ngisya katkum ke jing idon kam tang bayakan ni e abijing sta jong i deputy commissioner ba in regulate hakata kadur ba kanum don kajing ya rois palat kawai pat kabangi ngisya kolong bakini ki kam construction lapi ong ki private lapi ong jong ke government kitu ki bang don kam ban ong ban warra i kinong train na gawe ke jaka sya gawe pat ke jaka ki bakila don lepa hasai lana hakatu ka campus lana ka premises ya kataru mentangin sya ba kinstang ban tre kam no kabamut nadu ka life way trik jong uni ubenai ubamenta kajinglek on tap lani kajinglek on thang ya kibayak ngisa tan sipomut bat kataru kolong da kaba pentip lepa sya i deputy commissioner. The next point I will review meeting ki department lani ki jingtrei ki ba nam hapo jong kene ke lockdown hane is kasil jong i berapoi ka benengkong kalong ka health services ka batentup yaki emergency services batru ya katuka vaccination drive kabing ong lani kajing injection kabaan ki medicines ki dawai ki pharmacy kabalai kajing ya jong kini ki kali ki essential commodities essential goods kabasau ki briu ki ba yad na kawe ke jaka sakawe ke jaka ki ba don aga duty essential duty kami ong kum ki medical team ki officials ki ba de pet ya ka covid-19 ki police ki security ki armed forces ki civil defense but ki home guard ki fire and emergency services ki nongtrei jongka electricity ki nongtrei water supply ka municipal services nangta ki nongtrei jongka PDS ki public distribution system ngiong nangta ki nongtrei ka IPR information and public relations nangta ka telecommunication services but kumju ru ya ki nongthok kot kubor print and electronic media sakaway pat kabangi sya kabalait na kaning lockdown kolong karep karyang hakinom kendom kabakentup ya kabarep kuai kirep tempau lani kiba de kuai kiba de tempau lani kiba de sensar ya kiniru kumangong api ngisya ba kin trekam tangba ki hak ban bud perking ya kajing penbit penbiang na i deputy commissioner jong ka is kasils barok away but kabakadu komisya kolong kajing bela sis pasni kabangi om ka MGNREGA ha kinom kendong jungi ya kaniru kan light no napo jong ka lockdown. These